Welcome to Mrs. Fox Math Land. Oh no! I'm going to teach hummingbirds how to share equally. We are family. Father, mother, sister, brother. Long division by two-digit divisors. Long division can be called family method. Father says, find. Mother says, multiply. Sister says, subtract. Brother says, bring down. I will show you how this method works. Mrs. Connolly made 1,150 milliliters of juice for her 3 grandchildren. How many milliliters of juice does each grandchild get? If there's a remainder, write it as a fraction. This is a sharing equally or dividing equally problem. What are we sharing or dividing? Juice. Yes, so we write down 1,150, the amount of juice in the first place. Divided for whom? 3 grandchildren. Yes, you're right. So write down 3. Let's do long division. Always, the first number dividend goes inside the long division symbol, 1,150. The second number divisor goes outside. The inside number is a 4-digit number, so we put up 4 line segments. Then cover the inside number with your finger except the first digit, 1. Now we have 1 divided by 3. To solve the division problem, we will use the opposite operation, which is multiplication. Write multiplication symbol at the corner. Father says, find 3 times what number produces 1 or less than 1. Okay, then I need to write down timetable 3. 3 times 0 equals 0. 3 times 1 equals 3. This is too much because we have to find 3 times what number produces 1 or less than 1. So 3 times 0 equals 0. That's the best fit. Write down 0 above 1. Mother says, multiply 3 times 0. That gives you 0. Write down below 1. Sister says, subtract 1 minus 0. That gives you 1. Brother says, bring down. So, bring down 1. Now, go back to Father. Find 3 times what number produces 11 or less than 11. Let's look at the timetable. 11, 12 is too much. So, 3 times 3 equals 9 is the best fit. Write down 3 above 1. Mother says, multiply 3 times 3. That gives you 9. Write down below 11. Sister says, subtract 11 minus 9. That gives you 2. Brother says, bring down 1 digit at a time. So 5 down. Again, go back to Father. Find 3 times what number produces 25 or less than 25. Let's look at the timetable. 25, 27 is too much. So 3 times 8 equals 24. That's the best fit. Write down 8 above 5. Mother says, multiply 3 times 8. 24. Sister says, subtract 25 minus 24. That gives you 1. Brother says, bring down 1 digit at a time. Again, go back to Father. Find 3 times what number produces 10 or less than 10. Let's look at the timetable. 10, 12 is too much. So 3 times 3 equals 9 is the best fit. Write down 3 above 0. Mother says, multiply 3 times 3, 9. Write down below 10. 10. Sister says, subtract 10 minus 9. That gives you 1. Brother says, bring down. Oh no, there's no digit left. Then, this 1 is a remainder. This top number is a quotient. An answer after division. Lastly, we are going to write remainder 1 as a fraction. Remainder 1 goes to the top of a fraction bar as a numerator. Divisor 3 goes to the bottom as a denominator. We have a mixed number. So, each of 3 grandchildren will equally share 383 and 1/3 milliliters of juice. We are family. Father, mother, sister, brother.